Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter. In settings, find the option called general settings, and once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll through the general settings, find the option called the language, and once you find it, tap on it of course. And here we have the list of languages we can select from. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it, and then to apply it, press the middle button to confirm, and it will apply the language. Like this. And another way to change the language is through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, we can do it through the phone app. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of our phone. Now on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Polar Flow application. So let me open it. Okay. In the Polar Flow application, we can tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, scroll down, find the devices and tap on it, and here you should see your Polar Vantage V3. Now scroll down, and as you can see we have the device language option. Tap on it, select the language from the list, tap on done, and once you select the language, sync the watch with your app, and to do it, press and hold the back button like this. You should see like this green animation on the screen that it's syncing. For some reason it didn't pop up this time, but we can see in the app that the watch is syncing with it. And I think, yeah, we're gonna need to repeat the process, because as you can see, the app is synced with the watch and the watch is still in German. So we need to select the device language, select English, tap on done, and now resync it, I believe. So let's try syncing the watch again. And now the language changed. So basically, if you want to change the language, sometimes if you sync the watch with the app, it might basically bring the language that was already selected, because the watch didn't sync with the app for some time and you first synced it, so it synced the language it was set on the watch, and then you need to reselect it and desync it again, and the settings will be applied. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.